Hello, how do we solve this algebra question? X plus y equals to 6, xy equals to 36. Let's call this equation 1 and this equation 2. From equation 1, if we move y to the right hand side, we're going to have x equal to 6 minus y. The next thing we have to do is to replace this particular x with 6 minus y. That means from this line, we're going to have 6 minus y times y equal to 36. 6 times y, that is 6y, minus y times y, that is minus y squared, equal to 36. This implies that y squared minus 6y, let's use capital Y, plus 36 is equal to 0. By just rearranging this equation, we have this. Now, you will see that this quadratic equation can be solved using quadratic formula, which is y equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. From this equation, a is equals to 1, b is equals to negative 6, c is equals to 36. So let's plug these values into this right hand side. So we have y equal to minus, what is b? B is negative 6. Negative 6 plus or minus square root of b squared, that will be negative 6 all squared minus 4. What is a? A is 1 into 1 into, what is c? C is 36. All divided by 2 into a. A is 1. Let's proceed further. Y equal to minus times minus 6, that is 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 all squared, that is 36, minus 4 times 1 times 36, that is 144, divided by 2 times 1, that is simply 2. So we have y equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 144, that is negative 108, divided by 2. So we have y equal to 6 plus or minus square root of minus 108 could be written as square root of 108 times square root of negative 1 divided by 2. This implies that y equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 108 times, don't forget, from the complex number, square root of negative 1 is equals to I. So we have I here divided by 2. Y equal to 6 plus or minus, we can rewrite square root of 108 as square root of 36 times square root of 3. So we have square root of 36 times square root of 3 here times I, all divided by 2. Y is equal to 6 plus or minus, what is square root of 36? That is simply 6 times square root of 3i divided by 2. This implies that y is equal to, it is possible we can factor out 2 from this numerator. So that will be 2 into 3 plus or minus 3 root 3i, all divided by 2. This implies that y is equal to, clearly 2 cancels 2, we are left with 3 plus or minus 3 root 3i. This implies that y is either equal to 3 plus 3 root 3i, or y is equal to 3 minus 3 root 3i. You will see that we have two values for y. We can then use these two values to obtain the value of x. So since x is equals to 6 minus y, let me show you where we got this from. It's from this line. So let's continue. We will now consider each value of y. When considering this guy first, when y is equals to 3 plus 3 root 3i, this implies that. So in place of y, we have to plug in this value. So that will be x equal to 6 minus this 3 plus 3 root 3i, x equal to 6 minus times 3, that is minus 3, minus times plus, that is plus, minus rather. So we have minus 3 root 3i. So x equal to 6 minus 3, that is 3, minus 3 root 3i. That means the first solution, x comma y, is equal to what? What is x? X is this guy. 3 minus 3 root 3i, comma, what is y? This is the value of y. 3 plus 3 root 3i. This is the first solution. Now, let's consider the other value of y, which is this. We can manage this side. When y is equal to 3 minus 3 root 3i, we just have to replace this particular y with this. So that will be x equal to 6 minus 3 minus 3 root 3i. X is now equal to 6 minus times 3, that is minus 3, minus times minus, that is plus 3 root 3i. X is equal to 6 minus 3, that is 3, plus 3 root 3i. That means the second solution, let's put it here, s comma y is equals to, what is x? S is 3 plus 3 root 3i. 3 plus 3 root 3i, comma, what is y? The value of y is this. 3 minus 3 root 3i. This is the second solution. But it is very good if we could verify our solution. So let's verify it. Verify using equation 1. That is x plus y equal to 6. Let's verify the first solution first. This is x, y, this is y. In place of x, we write this. That will be 3 minus 3 root 3i plus y, this is y, 3 plus 3 root 3i. This is equal to, clearly, minus 3 root 3i plus 3 root 3i goes. We are left with 3 plus 3, that is 6. You will see that this is exactly what we have on the right hand side of this equation. That means the first solution is correct. Now, let's verify the second solution that we have here. Similarly, this is x, y, this is y. Plugging these values into this left hand side, we are going to have 3 plus 3 root 3i plus, what is y? This is y. 3 minus 3 root 3i. This is equal to, clearly, 3 root 3i minus 3 root 3i, that is 0. 3 plus 3, that is 6. This is also exactly what we have on the right hand side of this equation. That means, indeed, the second solution is also correct. That's it. Thanks for watching.